Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Nuanchu brand. They're 500 pack valve stem caps, tire caps for cars, bicycles, trucks, motorcycles. They're dust proof and they're unique because they have an O-ring inside them. A lot of the less expensive ones don't have that. These get excellent customer ratings, and Amazon states that they're never returned. So you're getting 500. The reason I put them in this bowl is to show you how many you're getting. When the package arrived, I just couldn't believe it. It was a huge bag full of these black O-ring, rust-proof, no oxidation resistant, and these are going to last a long time. 500 pieces. You're going to be like Santa Claus at Christmas time, giving these out to family members and help them out. So I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but inside there is a rubber or silicone seal, if you look closely. And that's really important because that goes against the valve stem, the valve that you remove air and add air, and that prevents dust, water to get inside that, which will cause it to eventually fail on the Schrader valve. So that is essentially a Schrader valve silicone cover in there. And what impressed me is I have different brands of these, and these are really thick. Most other brands, when you compress them like I'm doing right now, they actually compress considerably. These are very durable. So what they did is they made the wall of these a little thicker, which is great. And you can see it's all smooth on the one end there, and then it has nice notches on there so that you can get a good grip when you're rotating it and tightening. So I think this is great value. I put them all in my cars, and anything that has a tire on it and a Schrader valve, I now have these on. And that little silicone piece on there makes all the difference in the world. So you're going to love this product, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Just look at this. 500 of these.